Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Young Humble, aka Chillin' Barber. Today I'm back to y'all with another mid-taper tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed that little intro even though it was kinda random. I'm working on it. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off this cut with a number 3 guard, just cleaning up all the bulk before I even do anything, just to make sure everything is smooth and the hair blends in nicely. So right now I'm bringing in my number 4 guard, just blending into the top, and then I bring my number 5 guard and basically just flick everything out, make sure everything ends up smooth. Then I just clip it over, comb the rest of it. So I'm starting out this taper kind of in a half circle, so when you bald it out, it gives you enough space to really clean that out, and that's what will really make your tapers pop out. So for my first guideline, I'm bringing in my magic clips about 1/2 inch to a full inch. So right now what I'm doing is that I'm just kind of scraping the bottom of the line out with my T outliners, and then I'll bring in my magic clips halfway open, and that won't completely erase the line, but then you'll just close it up, and if it doesn't completely erase the line, then you'll just take your T outliners again and make sure you just erase that line. So I'm bringing in my number 1 guard all the way closed, about 1/4 inch, and I'm not using the full blade, I'm kind of just using the corners so I could give the taper a nice shape. And then I just take that guideline out with my 1/2 guard all the way closed. So with my 2 guard, instead of me trying to just create another guideline, I'm really just kind of trying to blend into the 3, and then with my 1.5 guard closed, that's when I really start blending in. And if it doesn't blend in completely, I'll bring in my number 1 guard about halfway open. Maybe I'll even close it up all the way, and that'll be sure to erase all the line. So now comes in the corner. The corner is pretty much what makes up the whole taper, like that C cup. Like if you don't get it nice, it can really throw the taper off all the way. So make sure you really take your time to detail this part and make sure everything looks nice. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you curve it out real nice, and you know you'll get a clean taper if you do this right. Basically, I'm just doing the exact same steps I did for the other side of the taper. But I hope you guys are enjoying this camera quality. I bought another camera and I bought the new lens for it. That's why you guys saw the guy giving me the lens at Best Buy. Just a little intro, you know, it was kind of random. I was kind of just trying the new camera out, see how I liked it. But I hope y'all are enjoying this camera quality a little bit better. I'm gonna try. I told y'all I was gonna put out better quality videos, and yeah. Big shout out to my homie EH Nation. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. He makes some vlogs and like a whole bunch of like funny videos. He's the dude I was shaking up with in the beginning of the video. Make sure you guys go and check out his channel. He got some dope content. And yeah. back of the taper, I like to start off in the middle, just so you could work off of that and you could curve it the way you want it to, you know, give it a nice shape so you're able to bald that out and make it look real clean, like I said. These are all kind of just the same steps. I'm bringing in my my magic clip about an inch all the way open. If you guys are barbers, drop down in the comment section what your favorite clipper is and what your favorite liners are, just to give me an idea of what you guys use, and you know, I'll make a video on the clippers that I use or my setup if you guys would like. So for my next guideline, I'm going up about ½ an inch with my number 1 guard all the way closed, and then to erase that line, I bring in my half guard about halfway open, and if it doesn't erase the line completely, I just close it up all the way. So with my number 2 guard, I'm basically kind of just doing the same thing, kind of just trying to blend it into the 3, not really trying to create a big harsh guideline. And then I'll bring my 1½ guard, try to erase the line, but it won't erase the line completely, so I'll take my 1 guard about halfway open, and if you really want to make it smooth, just close it up all the way, just kind of trigger play, just play with your trigger, and yeah, that's how you'll erase the line. If you guys want to get a really nice sharp line in the back of your taper, just take a small comb and just push the hairs down, and don't try to cut them out all the way, just kind of just take out all those little excess hairs, and it'll really clean out the back of the taper. So as I'm lining them up, I like to start in the middle just because I can guide myself from corner to corner. And he already came in with a pretty good lineup. I just kind of had to touch it up a little bit, you know, make it sharp. Just make sure don't push them back. Get some nice sharp corners in, and yeah. yeah guys, it's getting pretty close to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, I'm still trying to figure out how to use the new camera, you know, like all the lenses and everything, because I'm not so used to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut, you know, learn something or whatnot. But I'm gonna try to put out more videos like this. Hit that like button if you guys would like to see more videos like this. And yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram at ChinoTheBarber14. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm gonna see y'all next time.